install the pinch weld clamp for the F-150 fast anchoring package, the vehicle must first be installed into the fast anchoring system. Once the vehicle is attached to the fast anchoring, we'll assemble the pinch weld clamp that will attach the fast anchoring and attach to the flange on the F-150 cab. Okay, the assembly of the pinch weld clamp consists of our base that we're going to use to attach to the fast anchoring. We're going to then assemble a bracket that is going to attach to the base. It's important to note that the bracket with the flange sides will be facing the outside of the vehicle when assembling. We'll take 2 bolts, bring in from the inside, and then attach 2 nuts. Once the base and bracket's assembled for the pinch weld clamp, we'll now place this onto the fast anchoring bar and slide this up against the flange on the rocker. Next thing, we'll take the pinch weld clamp, a bolt, and then 2 springs to put on the guides, and bring this in from the inside and place the nut on the outside. That's going to lock down the pinch weld clamp to the truck. Then this process would be repeated in the other 3 designated areas. Then all bolts will be tightened up before any pulls are done. And that's how we install the pinch weld clamps for the 2015 F-150 aluminum cab.